Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Usually in my own online classes, after giving students a few minutes to talk about how they're doing, how they're bearing up in the current climate, I then put them in breakout rooms in pairs or small groups to compare what new vocabulary from the pages they were supposed to have been looking at came up for them. They have a chance to kind of teach each other. I pop in the different rooms and try to see what the problems are and give extra explanations and examples. This week I had two new students in one of the breakout rooms, and when I dropped by to see what was going on, they'd already basically moved on to the first speaking activity. They'd completely ignored the first task. Maybe I hadn't explained myself very clearly, I don't know. Anyway, I had to interrupt them and stop them by saying, whoa, 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 hold your horses. You're jumping the gun. We're going to come on to that speaking section in a few moments. First, just together, compare any new vocabulary that you found on these two pages. If you tell someone that you think they're jumping the gun, you basically mean that they're saying or doing something too soon. I guess the idea comes from athletics, where you have, for example, a 100-metre sprint, and you have the guy with the starting pistol, and you're not supposed to start running until they fire the starting pistol. And I guess if you start running early, it's a false start, and you are jumping the gun. You're starting before you're supposed to start. So you might use it, for example, as a kind of warning. You might say something like, listen, you've only been going out together for like a matter of weeks. Don't you think you're jumping the gun a bit by talking about marriage already? Or you might say, listen, calm down. Don't panic about it. It hasn't happened yet. You're jumping the gun a bit with all of your panicky ideas. Let's not be too hasty. Let's just wait and see what happens. Or you might say, listen, you're jumping the gun. You're leaping to conclusions here before we're in possession of all the facts. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use jump the gun.